Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. Today on What's for Dinner, I'm doing potato wedges with cumin or cumin. So I've got 2 red onions to use up, so I'm using them. I've got half a red capsicum. I've got a handful of red potatoes, some mushrooms, and a little bit of spice. So let's get started. Oh, you want to prep your oven. So I've just preheated the oven. It's on 180, which is gas mark 4 or 350 Fahrenheit, and doing it in a sheet pan again. So I've got this all ready to go. It's just greased and lined with paper. So you need a bowl on standby. So we're just going to chop these onions. You can either use 1 or 2 onions. I've got loads of onions to use up, and it's the day before my fruit and veg delivery box. So I don't have much in the fridge, so this is what we're going to have for dinner. I discovered that roasting potatoes and mushrooms together tastes really, really good. It sounds weird, but it's a really yummy combination. So I'm just going to cut these red onions lengthways, so they're like that. Toss them in the bowl. And you can mix and match whatever you've got, but this is a little simple combination. And if you want to have meat with it, you can serve it with meat and just do it as a side. But we're doing this as kind of a light dinner. And if you're new here today, consider subscribing. I'm doing approximately 3 videos a week, and now I'm trying to do one What's for Dinner, where I share what we're having for dinner, which is usually quick ideas that you can just whip up in less than an hour. So I'm just slicing my red pepper or capsicum, as it's known in Australia, just in slices, and then I'm going to chop him in half, just depending on how big yours is. And you want to remove any seeds or core. I did that just before we started. So I've washed my potatoes and I'm leaving the skinner, and I'm just cutting them, get rid of that seed, lengthways, and then in wedges. So depending on how big your potatoes are, I'm getting 3 pieces out of each half. So they just go in. Hopefully my bowl's big enough. I've just realised Silly Sue has a small bowl and I should have got a bigger bowl. So I'm just going to grab my bigger bowl. So if you're going to make this at home, grab a large bowl, not a medium-sized bowl. So let's just transfer all that in. So I've got a little bag of mushrooms here. It's roughly, I measured it to be 150 grams. So I'm just going to slice the little tails off and chop them in kind of rough pieces. So you don't want them too small because they'll shrivel up to nothing, but you don't want them too big. I don't like eating big mushrooms, but I love mushrooms with potatoes. They taste really good in the oven. And then that is all my veggies I'm going to put in today, because that's all I have. So then we're going to drizzle over some olive oil. So that's roughly about a tablespoon, so 1 to 2 tablespoons. I love ground cumin, so I'm doing a teaspoon of that, but not completely necessary. If you wanted, you can add garlic or garlic powder, but I don't feel like garlic today, so I'm not putting garlic in. A sprinkle of ground pepper and some salt. And I need my stirrers. So I've got my favourite spoons to toss it all around. So I'm just going to toss all that together. Grab the sheet pan. Now you could just do this straight onto the sheet pan and toss it all around with the oil and spices, but I always find that it just coats the potatoes and all the veggies better when I do it in a bowl. I've tried it both ways, and I like doing it in a bowl. So you just make sure that your veggies are spread so they're not overlapping too much. So now I'm going to roast it in my oven's hot. I'm going to roast it for 25 minutes, and then we stop it after that, toss it for a little bit more, and then roast it for another 10. Time is on. I can go away and have a cup of tea while dinner's cooking. My timer is going off. I'm just going to open the oven and toss the veggies around. Whew, it's very hot. Okay, they're looking like this. So they're almost cooked. I'm just giving them a quick toss, and then we'll cook them for another 10 minutes, just so my potatoes are a little bit browner. But I'm just tossing them around to separate some of the onions. Everything shrunk a bit, so we've got a little bit more space. I'm going to pop it back in for another 10 minutes. The timer went off and my veggies are all cooked, so I'll come closer shortly. But all I'm going to do to serve them is I've got a few leftover leaves, so I'm just going to pop them on the top. And I found some dill in the fridge as well, so I'm just going to add that just so it looks pretty. So I hope you've liked my video today. Hit the thumbs up, share this recipe with a friend, try baking a version of it, and let me know in the comments below if you've baked it and you like it. And don't forget, consider subscribing. All you need to do is have a Google account, hit the bell, and then you get notified when I've got a new video. But before I go, I'll come closer and show you close up. So here it is. I hope you've liked my one sheet recipe today. Once again, hit the thumbs up if you've liked it, share it with a friend. I'll pop some other recipe ideas up above, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Yum, I'm hungry.